me and my sister and my brother and mom and daddy, we go to the trip because my dad has a birthday. This is so cheesy.
Yung pa yun?
And guys, my mom is buying something right now. And this is my dad. Oh, there's dad. Yeah. That's my dad. And this is my kuya. And you know my mom. And guys, sorry. And guys, now they are buying something delicious. Delicious, yeah. And guys, don't go to the playground actually, because you can go in what's that again? Swing, yeah, and something I don't know what is called of that. And don't go to the slide because it's very fast. You can get dirty if you have a white clothes just like me, and you will get injured because it's super fast. You cannot go. If you land, you automatic, I think, sprinting, running, and you will go to the road actually. And now it's done. Now look at this. There was a many car and peace and say
Thank you.
and this that's my kuya. Bye.